Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Two companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have announced passive income for investors in the form of dividends. Lumber Depot Limited has declared a dividend of 0.08 cents per stock unit payable on October 10, 2025 to stockholders on record as at September 25, 2025. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.1292 cents per stock unit payable on October 24, 2025 to stockholders on record as at October 3, 2025. The quarterly financial results of several companies have been released. Lumber Depot Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending July 31, 2025 reports first quarter net profit of $37.93 million. Blue Power Group Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ended July 31, 2025 reports first quarter net profit of $28.42 million. R.A. Williams Distributors Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending July 31, 2025 reports first quarter net loss of $1.91 million. The Development Bank of Jamaica recently launched its new loan facilities for entrepreneurs engaged in manufacturing, health, agriculture, and the creative industries for up to $30 million in collateral-free financing through its Orbit loan program. DBJ Managing Director Dr. David Lowe explained that the $2 billion financing product launched last week was developed in collaboration with the private sector organization of Jamaica, Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Small Business Association of Jamaica, and other key stakeholders. Dr. Lowe explained that under the Orbit facility, eligible beneficiaries may access loans at an 8% interest rate through DBJ-approved financial institutions. The managing director noted that the loans will carry a 10-year repayment period, double the duration typically offered by most financial institutions. For the trading period ending September 15, 2025, these are the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,361,850 units traded, representing 23.78% of market sales volume. International Beverage Distributor Wisynco Group Limited ordinary shares with 1,943,647 units traded, representing 13.75% of market sales volume. Investment House QWI Investments Limited shares with 1,162,591 units traded, representing 8.22% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.80 million purchased and the US $53.50 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.90 per dollar, selling the US at $161.47 and buying the US at $159.57. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.73 per transaction, with selling at $116.66 and buying at $114.93. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.11 in profits, with selling at $216.72 and buying at $211.61. For our credit report tip of the day, stop waiting for a loan application to force you into managing your credit. Take action now. Run your business as if the bank is evaluating you every single day. The 5 C's of credit can guide you. That's character, capacity, capital, collateral, and conditions. They aren't just for lenders. They're daily habits that strengthen your business and increase your chances of growth funding. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.